Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry I can't be here today. I'm pretty sick, so I am taking the day off to recover so I can be here on Wednesday for your presentations. First off, each of these videos that I've recorded are going to have 3 steps in them, so that it's broken down and so that you can focus on the different steps that are in each. In this first video, I'll be going through and telling you how to get to the different, first off, what we're doing, the technological and developing world comparisons, how to choose a country, and how to get to the website. So first, we are choosing and we are comparing a technological versus a developing country. A technological country is a country sort of like the United States, where there's a lot of technology, high life expectancy, and other indicators or characteristics here on the left that that are fit into being technological. On the other hand, there are countries that are developing. Countries sort of that can like Cambodia, Bhutan, Djibouti. Yes, I can hear you laughing already. But there are a lot of different countries that are both developing and technological. Here, I have a list of 10 technological countries and 10 developing countries. If you have not chosen your countries yet, please choose one from each column. So one technological country and one developing country. As an example, I'm going to show you this first step. I'm going to choose Singapore as my technological country and St. Vincent and Grenadines as my developing country. So on your worksheet here, under technological, you put down whichever technological country you chose, and under developing, you'll do the same. So that's the first piece that you really have to figure out. It's technological and developing and choosing a country. Seems simple, right? The next piece, so the second part, is going to this website, the CIA World Factbook. I have the link here on the top of the worksheet for you, so you can copy and type in the URL, or you can just Google CIA World Factbook. Make sure you're absolutely going to the World Factbook and not just the CIA website. Do not go to just the CIA.gov website. You must go to this full website that includes the World Factbook. So I'm going to click on here, and this is what the World Factbook page looks like. In the next video, I'll explain to you what you're going to be doing here.